Hey guys, I'm Georgie on MTV News Today. Other things to celebrate today: National Tart Day, Play in the Sand Day, Presidential Joke Day. Cara Delevingne, model slash actress slash walking pair of eyebrows slash Ex on the Beach contestant. Yes, Gaz Beadle wants Cara to join the show after the pair have apparently been sending flirty messages back and forth. The self-described ultimate shagger. Can you self-crown that? Anyway, Gaz says that Cara would be nuts on the show, figuratively and literally, no doubt. In Big Brother news, it was love at 10 days for Lewis and Marnie. In last night's episode, he told her, "We've rushed into things. For me, this is perfect. You make me feel like a good man. Just your energy. This is something worth holding on to." Some people feel like the couple's made up just for the show, but I mean, there was a photo of them together on Lewis's Instagram, so it must be real. It was not an entirely happy birthday for Kylie Jenner after her red cornrows and a Snapchat of her twerking had Twitter calling her out for cultural appropriation. Yes, wisdom doesn't always come with age. And another Kardashian has made headlines with a simple Snapchat because, of course she has, that's what they do. Kim posted a snap of her side on in the mirror, marveling, "Oh my god, my waist, it's so skinny, it's getting small." Although I'm not entirely sure why that's so surprising given that the entire Kardashian family look pretty much perfect 150% of the time. Once upon a time in a land far, far away, one of Snow White's 7 dwarfs absolutely nailed himself after falling off a float at Disney World onto Goofy. Which of the 7 dwarfs? Well, Dopey, obviously. Now that's a happy ending if I ever saw one. That's everything from me today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.